Good morning, class. How are you all? Today we are here to discuss topic number 19 from the GK book. So, what is the topic? The topic is logical reasoning. So, you have to think and take out the reason why the answer is that particular answer. Okay. So, here the first answer is tick the correct answer. The first question. In the given sequence, which set of letters will logically replace the hash sign? You can see the hash sign over here. So, you have to give a logical reason why you are ticking the correct option to fill this hash sign or to replace this hash sign. The first is ATG. Second is IGT. Third is WAB and fourth is IET. So according to you, which option will fill this hash sign? Now let us come to the solution. How to solve this problem? Which are the words like GAN, then HCQ, then we have the hash sign and then we have JGW. Now the correct answer will be IET. But why IET? Because see, if you count the alphabetical numbers of these letters GAN, you will see it comes to 22. Okay. Then if you count these HCQ, it will be 6 more than 22. So 6 more than 22 is 28, right? Then there is a hash and then finally you have JGW. So you will count. So there is a gap of 6 numbers in between these two words. So here also you have to find out which number comes in a difference of 6. Clear? So this is the number. These are the alphabets which comes to a difference of 6 from HCQ. So that means 28 plus 6 is how much? 34. Okay, so 34 will be the letters which will count to 34 will be put over here. So if you count IET, you will see that it will be 34. Clear? And then this number, if you count this number, then it will be how much? It will be 40. So each number will have a gap of 6. So hope this part is clear to you. Now we come to the next question. How many consonants appear immediately after a vowel but not immediately before a vowel in the word, oh my god, Buckminster Fullerene? So how many vowels are there which comes after a how many consonants are there which comes after a vowel but not immediately before a vowel? So now let us see which comes after a vowel but not before a vowel. See, this C is there which is coming after U but not before a vowel because K is also a consonant. So this is one. Then we can say N. N is another letter which is coming after I, which is a vowel but not before a vowel. Okay, so this is second one. Then we can see R. R is coming after E but before F, which is not a vowel. Okay, finally we come to L. L, which is again coming after a vowel U but not before a vowel because it is coming before L, which is a consonant. So how many we got? C, N, R, U. So these are the 4 letters which are coming, 4 consonants which appear immediately after a vowel but not immediately before a vowel. Okay, so correct answer is 4. Hope it's clear to you till here, all of you. Now, If yesterday is the day before yesterday of Saturday, what day is day after tomorrow? So yesterday is the day before yesterday of Saturday. Okay. So which day it comes? It comes to Friday. Yesterday is the day before yesterday of Saturday. So it comes to Friday. So what day is day after tomorrow? So Friday is the day before Saturday. So what is the day after Friday is Saturday, and day after tomorrow is Sunday. So the correct answer is Sunday. Okay. Now next one is very easy. See, Imran likes to eat apples and oranges. So which two fruits Imran likes to eat? Apples and oranges. Okay. Ranveer likes to eat bananas and oranges. So here apples and oranges, here bananas and oranges. So both of these friends like to eat oranges. Suresh likes to eat oranges. Again, oranges is again common in all three. Ramesh eats only apples. So apples is also common between Ramesh and Imran. So which fruit is liked by only one person? Banana. So banana is the only fruit which is liked by Ranveer. Okay, so the correct answer is banana. Next question. Next question is, Ronnie is taller than Rachel but shorter than Rancho. So Rachel is the shortest among all three. Amit is taller than Taran but shorter than Rachel. So Amit is taller than Taran, but Amit is shorter than Rachel. So Taran is shorter from Amit also. So and Amit is shorter than Rachel. So Taran is the shortest among all five of them. So who is the shortest of them all? Taran. Okay. Now next question. In a certain language, if horse is written as JMTQG, then how will tiger be written in the same language? Now you have to think the reason. Why? Because see, if you consider one letter in this word, H, and you see this, after H what comes? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So we skip I and then we write J. So after H we leave one letter and we write J. In O, M comes after O or before O? I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So M is coming one letter before O. Similarly, T comes one letter after R. R, S, then T. Q comes one letter before S. P, Q, R, then S. So one letter in between, then S. And E, G comes one letter after E. E, F, G. Clear? So how does it match? One letter after and one letter before. Okay. Now let us see tiger. See T. So one letter after T, U, V. V. Okay. I, one letter before A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So one letter before I is G. So V, G. G, one letter after H, I. E, one letter before is C, and R, one letter after is T. So this is the correct answer, B, G, I, C, T. This one is the correct answer. Okay, clear? Now see, this seventh one is very easy. My first letter is in run. So first letter is R, but not in fun. My second letter is in pot. Second letter is O, but not in put. My third and fourth letters are in seed. So third and fourth letter, SE, but not in mood. Which word I am? Rose. Isn't it? First letter R, second letter O, third and fourth letter SE. Rose. This was easy. Now the last one. One morning, Roshan and Varun were talking to each other, face to face at a crossing. If Varun's shadow was exactly to the left of Roshan, which direction was Roshan facing? Roshan was actually facing north direction. Okay? Because only then, if the sun falls, then Varun's shadow will exactly be to the left of Roshan. Clear? See children, this is very important. To improve your logical reasoning, try solving puzzles such as Sudoku, Rubik's Cube and word search. Just like any other body muscle, your brain becomes sharper